Last period I taught when the bill is retained till the date of maturity and the calculation of due date. Okay, so when the bill is retained till due date, so in the books of drawer, three entries are there. What are the three entries? Aparna, three journal entries in the books of drawer. First
So
one. So,
when the bill is
example,
retained by the holder till the date,
yes.
it is Y account debtor to sales account.
Okay. Next entry.
Next, on receiving the bill after acceptance, it
Yes.
is bills receivable account debtor to Y account.
Okay.
Then third one is on maturity of the bill, that
Yes.
is cash account debtor or bank account debtor to bills receivable account.
Okay. In the books of drawing, Femina. In the books of drawing, three entry, first entry, no need to tell the item, first entry. Purchase, what is entry? Yes, correct only, Femina. Purchase account to drawer, any person, X. Second entry, accounted to bills payable. Third entry, bills payable accounted to cash. Okay.
Yes.
So we will do the second problem. Then we will start the next case. Second one, Karthik sold goods 3,500 to Anjo on 15th March and drew a bill for the amount at 2 months after date. Anjo accepted the bill and returned to Karthik up to this second entry. Okay, so drew a bill, Anjo accepted and returned to Karthik. That is the second entry. Okay, first sold goods, next that to up to this one, that one entry, bills receivable account to that Anjo. The bill was honored at maturity. Honored means he got the amount. Pass journal entries in the books of both the parties. So here 15th March 2015, 2 month. Okay, 15th March, 2 month. Okay, so we will start. Second question. First one, journal entries in the books of Karthik. Journal entries in the books of Karthik. So 15th March 2015. Karthik sold goods to Anjo. So Tomlin, first entry will be in the books of Karthik. First entry.
And Y account to sales account.
Yes. So here one person is there, Anjo.
And account to
Anjo account debtor to sales account. Okay, same amount 3,500. So whenever you are writing the entry, you study the journal entry. Being sold goods to Anjo. Next, same date only accepted. Then Anjo, second entry.
Bills receivable account debtor to Anjo.
Bills receivable account to Anjo. Same amount 3,500. being acceptance received, being acceptance received. Next bill honored at the maturity date 2 month, so 15 March, April, May, 15 plus 3 18 5 at the time of maturity. Aparna, at the time of maturity,
So cash account debtor to bills receivable account.
yes, cash account debtor to bills receivable account. Being the amount of bill received, amount of bill received. Being the amount of bill received. So next, journal entries in the books of Anjo. Opposite, journal entries so next, journal entries in the books of Anjo, in the books of Anjo. Okay, so now already we wrote journal entries in the books of drawer Karthik. Now journal entries in the books of Anjo. So first one, purchased goods. Okay, purchased goods from Karthik. First entry, Atul. First entry.
Sir, purchase account debtor to Karthik.
Yes, purchase account to Karthik. So same date, 15th March 2015. First entry, purchase account debtor to Karthik. Karthik account being purchased goods from Karthik. Amount 3,500. Next, in the books of drawer, acceptance we received. Next, acceptance given. Anat, second entry, acceptance given.
Karthik account debtor to bills payable account.
Yes, second entry, Karthik account to bills payable account. Karthik account debtor to bills payable account. Bills payable account 3,500. Being acceptance given. Then already we wrote in the books of drawing at the time of maturity. Now in the books of drawing, at the time of maturity? Hanna.
Bills payable accounted to cash account.
Yes, bills payable accounted to cash. Bills payable accounted to cash. 2-month bills payable account debtor to cash account. Same amount, 3,500, 3,500. Being the amount of bill paid. Okay, so first case is over. When the bill is retained by the holder till the date of maturity, that case is over. Irfan, Hadi, Shubham, Basil, turn on your video. So when the bill is retained by the holder till the date of maturity, so in the books of drawer, first sold goods to any person. So example, sold goods to Atul. What is entry? Sharath. Sold goods to Atul. Entry.
Abdul account debted to sales account.
Yes, Atul accounted to sales account. Atul accounted to sales. Second one, if you receive any acceptance, acceptance received from the Atul. Femina, secondary, acceptance received from Atul.
Bills receivable account debtor to Adul account.
Yes, bills receivable account to Atul. Then at the time of maturity, Aditya, at the time of maturity,
Cash account debtor to bills receivable.
yes, cash accounted to bills receivable account. Cash accounted to bills receivable account. Next, in the books of drawing. So in the books of drawing, first transaction is purchased goods from suppose purchased goods from Pavitra. Purchased goods from Pavitra. What is entry? Anjo. Purchased goods from Pavitra.
Purchase account debtor to
Yes, purchase account to Pavitra. Second, acceptance given to Pavitra. Acceptance given to Pavitra. What is the entry? Pavitra. Acceptance given to Pavitra in the books of drawing. Unmute. Acceptance in the books of drawing after purchase. Acceptance given to Pavitra.
Account debtor to bills.
Yes, Pavitra accounted to bills payable. Pavitra accounted to bills payable. Next, at the time of maturity. At the time of maturity. Aparna, at the time of maturity.
Sir, bills payable account debtor to cash account.
Yes, bills payable accounted to cash account. Okay, so first case is over. Now, I am going to start the second case. Discounting the bill of exchange. Okay, discounting the bills of exchange. That is the second case. When the bill is discounted from the bank, when the bill is discounted from the bank, what do you mean by discounting the bill? What do you mean by discounting the bill? Discounting the bill means encashing the bill before the date of maturity. That is discounting the bill. Okay, encashing the bill before the date of maturity. Otherwise, borrowing from the bank on the security of the bill. That is discounting the bill. Okay, suppose Karthik sold goods on credit to Atul on which one? 15th March. Okay, so the due date is after 2 months. Only we will get the Karthik will get the amount. But now Karthik want emergency cash, so he can give that bill to his bank. Then he can encash the amount from the bank, but the bank will deduct certain amount from the face value of the bill, and the balance only they will give to Karthik. Okay, that is about discounting. Okay, before the date of the maturity, he can encash the amount. Okay, then at the time of maturity, the drawee will give the amount to the bank. Okay, the bank will collect amount from the drawee. That is discounting the bills. Okay, encashing the bill before the date of maturity. That is discounting the bill. Okay, so suppose 10,000 is the amount. So the Karthik won't get the 10,000 amount before, because he can encash the bill before the date of maturity. So they will deduct some discount. So he will get maybe 9,500. So 500 they will deduct. Okay, so that is about discounting the bills of exchange. So here, what is the journal entry? In the books of drawer and in the books of drawing. Here, in the books of drawer and in the books of drawing, first two entry sale. So first two entry sale. Karthik, in the books of drawer, first two entry. First entry.
Y accounted to sales.
Y accounted to sales. Second entry.
Bills receivable accounted to Y.
Okay, bills receivable accounted to Y. Next, in the books of drawing, two entry. Aparna, in the books of drawing, first two entry.
So purchase account debtor to X account.
Yes.
Then X account debtor to bills payable account.
Yes. Okay. So in the books of drawer, first two entry sale. Means suppose Karthik sold goods on credit to Atul. First entry will be Atul accounted to sales. Next entry, bills receivable account to Atul. Then third, if Karthik discounts the bill with the bank, then the third entry will be bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Okay. Third entry will be this one. Okay. Third entry will be when he discounts the bill with the bank, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. So suppose 10,000 is the amount of the bill. If they deduct 500 means how much only we will get? 9,500. Okay. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Bank account debtor, discount account to bills receivable. That is the entry. Discounting the bill with the bank. From the bank. Okay. Discount the bill from the bank. Entry will be bank account debtor. So we got 9,500 only. Karthik got. Discount account debtor to bills receivable. Clear? Then on maturity date, no entry. Why? Because already we got the amount from the bank. So at the time of maturity, bank can collect amount from Atul, that drawing. Clear? So on maturity, no entry in the books of drawer, because already drawer got the amount from bank. From the bank, they got the amount. Drawer. Okay, so on maturity, no entry. Okay, first two entries same. Third entry will be bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Bank account debtor, discount account to bills receivable. Next, in the books of drawing is same only. Drawing same, first two entries same only. Third case, suppose if you are discounting the bill. So normally we will look the journal entries in the books of drawer. If it is sale, in the books of drawing, it will be purchase. In the books of drawer, if it is bills receivable, then in the case of drawing, it will be bills payable. In the books of drawer, we will receive the cash. In the books of drawing, he will give the cash. Clear? But here you look at that third entry. In the books of drawer, what is entry? Discounting the bill. Entry will be bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. But in the books of drawing, no entry for discounting. Why? Because it is discounted by drawer only. Okay, so drawing in the same entry only at the time of maturity, bills payable account to cash. Bills payable account to cash. Bills payable account to cash. Okay, that is related to discounting the bill. Okay, so in the books of drawer, 3 entry. First entry, Atul account to sales. Second entry, bills receivable account to Atul. Then the third entry will be bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Then in the books of drawing, same, no change. And one thing you have to remember, in the books of drawing, no entry for discounting because it is discounted by the drawer, not the drawing. Okay. So, but at the time of maturity, the drawee have to give the amount of the bill to the, which one? Bank. Okay, Anjo, Irfan, Hadi, Basil, turn on your video. Next one. So we will do the problem. Any doubts? Shubham, discounting, any doubt? Atul, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we will do the question related to bill when the bill is discounted from the bank. First question, X sold goods to Y for rupees 10,000 on 15th March 2012. On the same day, Y accepted bill drawn upon by X at 4 months. Period of the bill is 4 months. For rupees 10,000, X discounted the bill on 15th April. X discounted, okay? He drew and Y accepted the bill. Period is 4 months. Then X discounted the bill on 15th April. You look the 15th March. 15th March. 15th. Then period will be 4 months. Okay. Period will be 4 months. 15th April discounting. 15th April discounting the bill at 18% per annum, means they will deduct 18% at his bank, and Y met the bill on maturity. At the time of maturity, drawee given the amount. Pass journal entries in the books of both the parties. pass journal entries in the books of both the parties. So we'll start. Okay, so X sold goods to Y, rupees 10,000. Thing is that 15th March, X draws the bill. Then 15th April, he discounts 18%. That amount they will deduct. Okay, so we will start. First, journal entries in the books of X. Journal entries in the books of X. So 15th March 2012. First entry. Pavitra Hadi, first entry. X sold goods to Y. So same to entry, Y account debtor to sales account, same entry. Amount 10,000. Being sold goods to Y. Second entry, bills receivable account debtor to Y, being acceptance received 10,000. Date, it is very important. Then 15th April, 15th March is the due date. 15th April, discounting the bill. Entry will be bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Bills receivable being bill discounted from the bank. Bank account debtor, discount account to bills receivable. Here, calculation of discount. How to calculate discount? That only. How to calculate? First, you have to look at period. Period 4 month. Period is 4 month. So, how to calculate discount? How much month we have to take? 10,000 into amount of bill into percentage, 18%. How many months? That what do you have to do? When 15th March we draw the bill, 15th March to 4 month. 4 month. Then discounting date to maturity date. Discounting date to maturity date. How many month? How many month? Karthik, discount date to maturity date. April to March to 4 month. So April to 3 month. Clear? With this month it is easy. March to 4 month. Okay? April to 3 month, because before 3 month we are getting amount. Before 3 month we are getting amount. So 18% they will deduct. So into 3 by 12. So 1800. 450. 9550. Okay? How to calculate, you understood now? Discount date to mature date, how many months? That much discount they will deduct. 18%. So in the books of drawing, opposite journal entries, in the books of Y. First entry, same date, 15th March. Purchase account to, here no change. I am writing, already you know the entry, purchase account to X account, 10,000. Here no relation, here he don't know about the drawer discounted the bill or not. Being purchased goods from X. Second, X account debtor to bills payable. Being acceptance given. Being acceptance given. Same amount. Last, maturity date, no entry for discounting. Okay, so if you look the drawer, third entry will be there, discounting. Here no entry. Then maturity date. So 4 month only, April, May, June, July. 15 plus 3, 18, 7, 12. Bills payable, account debtor to cash account. Here no difference, 10,000 you have to keep. Being amount of bill paid. So now time is over. So next period we will continue. One more problem, then we will start endorsing the bill. Thank you.